Hi, Bill Knighton with RightAngle. I'm going to show you how to install our Swivel Pencil Tray. It's our 300 PTB. When installing your Swivel Pencil Tray, I like to use an electric drill. You want it to have a torque setting, you want it set down low so you don't strip your screws out, and you're going to need a Phillips tip. You can pre-drill the holes if you'd like, but with the torque of an electric drill, you can usually drive the screws in very easily. All right, when installing the Swivel Pencil Tray, you're going to install this disc. This is what it spins on, and you're going to mount it 13 inches in from the edge of the work surface and a ½ inch from the front. Now, we could have installed it on this side, but because it swivels, it's going to hit our CPU holder. So always be aware of what could possibly be in the way when it's spinning, like the switch, CPU holder, or other accessories. So I'm going to measure 13 inches in from the edge. I like to use a Sharpie just because it's easier to see. ½ inch from the front. And I can position my disc. I'm going to hold it down. Just going to run a circle around the outside of it here. If you'd like, you can mark the holes. If you'd like to pre-drill it, since I'm using an electric drill, you have enough power to drive the screws into the work surface. Okay, now that that's installed, we install our swivel portion of the pencil tray. You want to make sure that it can turn all the way around. Here it does. You have the cap. Install the last screw. Then when it's finished, this is for your Scotch tape. That'll snap inside the pencil tray. I'll see if I can do it here from the bottom. So that's how you install our Swivel Pencil Tray. If you found this to be helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.